Let's take a look at this example. This time we are going to subtract bigger number from smaller one. How are we supposed to do that? Let me show you. We have 1, 0, 0, 1, 1 minus 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. Please notice that if it comes to the binary numbers, the number which has more highs to the left side is the greater number, and the number which has more zeros or lows to the left is lower number. So in this case, the bottom one has more highs to the left side. It means that this bottom number is higher one. Now, so if you are going to convert this number, the top number, to decimal, you will find out that this is decimal 19. And if you are going to convert this binary number to decimal, you are going to find out that this is 28. Means we have to subtract 28 from 19. Anytime you subtract bigger number from smaller number, you're supposed to subtract from bigger, smaller number and keep the sign of the larger number. What I mean by that? We have to take the larger number 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, and we're supposed to subtract from that number the lower number, which is 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. And we're supposed to keep the sign of the larger number. So larger number has negative sign next to itself. That's why my answer is going to be negative. Now, I cannot subtract 1 from 0. That's why I'm going to borrow 1 from here, and I'm going to have 2 over this bit, but I need to subtract 1 from this bit. That's why I'm going to borrow 1 from this 2, and I'm going to end up with 1, and that borrow of 1 is going to be 2 over next bit. So I have 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. This is going to be 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. And I have 1 minus 1 is 0. So my answer for my regular subtraction, or called also normal, is minus 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Let's do 1's complement. Again, the procedure is exactly the same. We have top number staying the same, and we're supposed to change the second one to 1's complement. And subtraction, you have to change to the addition. That's why I'm going to have 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. Perform addition. 1 plus 1 is 2, and carry of 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. Write 1 and carry of 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 0 is 0. And I have 1 plus 0 is equal 1. This is the 1's complement representation of this answer. Okay, because we subtract bigger number from smaller number, they look different, but please notice that there is some similarity between both of them. Basically, we got this number, and this is like 1's complement of whatever we have got over here, because 0 is converted to 1, and 1 is converted to 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, and I have 1, 0. So if you get this answer, means your answer is correct. Now, 2's complement. Again, you're supposed to copy down the top number, and you are going to have 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, and you're supposed to find the 2's complement of this number. This one is already 1, so in order to find 2's complement, you're supposed to add 1 to 1's complement. Means you have to add 1. Of course, this is going to be addition. So I'm going to have 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. Again, many people are going to ask me, how come you get this? Please notice that we're supposed to add 1 to this number. I have 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. Plus 1, I have 1 plus 1 is 2, carry of 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, and carry of 1, I have 1, 0, 0. That's why my second number looks like this, because I add 1 to this one. Next, I'm supposed to perform the regular addition. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. And I have 0 plus 0 is 0. And 1 plus 0 is equal 1. Let's check if our answer is correct. So, let's get back to normal part. I have 19 minus 28. 19 minus 28 is equal negative 9. Negative 9, right? So if you are going to talk in terms of the decimal numbers, okay? This 19 minus 28 gave me negative 9. Look at this answer. I have 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. If you want to convert this binary number, okay, negative binary number, because we talk in terms of the sign numbers, and this is 2's complement, so this is automatically negative. So I have 1, 2, 4, 8, and negative 16. If you want to find the decimal value of it, simply add the weights of that bits which are 1's, and we're supposed to get the decimal value of this number. So I have negative 16 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. Negative 16 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1 is equal negative 9. We got negative 9 at the beginning, and we got negative 9 at the end. Means our answers are correct. Let's take a look at the next example. Again, we are going to subtract bigger number from smaller one. How we can see this very quick, which number is bigger one or smaller one? Simply look at first bits, okay, and find the difference between very first one. So I have, let's say, 1, 1, I have 1, 1, so very first two bits are identical. So let's take a look at the third one, 1, 1, 0, and I have 1, 1, 1. So I have 3 highs over here, and I have 1, 1, 0 over here. It makes automatically this number bigger than this one, okay? Without long thinking, I know right away that this number is bigger. So I have 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1 minus 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. Anytime we subtract bigger number from smaller number, we're supposed to perform the subtraction from the bigger one smaller and keep the sign of the larger number. So what I'm supposed to do? I'm supposed to just write 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0 minus my smaller number 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. I cannot subtract 1 from 0, that's why I'm going to borrow 1 from here, and I have 2 minus 1 is 1. 0 minus 0 gives me 0. And I have 1 minus 1 is 0. I have 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1, and I have 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0. And of course, this is going to be negative. Why negative? Because I'm subtracting from the smaller number, bigger number. That's why my answer must be negative. So that's why I'm going to have negative 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. So this is the answer for my regular subtraction, which is called normal very often. Next, we're supposed to do 1's complements. Anytime you do 1's complements, you're supposed to copy the top number always. 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. And subtraction, you're supposed to change to addition. And you're supposed to find the 1's complement of the second number. This is 1's complement of the second number. Means you have to invert every single bit of this number, and we are going to have 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, and perform regular addition. 1 plus 1 is 2, 0 and carry of 1. And 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. And I have 1 plus 0 is 1. Now, look at the answers. They look different, but please notice that we have 2 zeros and we have 2 1's over here. We have 1, we have 0. We have 3 zeros and we have 3 1's. And I have 1 and we have got 0 over here. It means that this is nothing else, just 1's complement of this answer. So this answer is correct, even if it looks different than this one. This is happened because we subtract bigger number from smaller one. Next, let's do 2's complement. What we're supposed to do? We're supposed to copy the top number, and I have 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, and we're supposed to find the 2's complement. Remember, in order to get the 2's complement, we're supposed to add 1 to 1's complement. So I have to add 1 to this number. Let me do this on the side. So I have 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Write 0 and carry of 1. So 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. So that's why I have to write over here 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, plus. And I have 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 0, 1, 1. And this is the answer for my 2's complements. So these are the solutions to my problem.